This Black Friday deal is legendary, and it's going to blow you away. Let's talk about it. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Hope you're having a great Thanksgiving season as we start to move into the Christmas holidays. I've got a deal, just a blowout deal that's going to blow you away. Today's video is brought to you by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Let's start with Ham Radio. World Radio League, guys. This is the future of logging. This particular software here, I love this. It works great. You've seen several videos on my channel of this particular product, but let me give you a quick look at the logbook. This is what my logbook looks like. All I gotta do is put in a call sign, W1AW 59 frequency 21.500. Sure. No, let's do goodness gracious, why am I running a blank? 14.300. Not that I'm going to talk to him there, but there you go. That's how you do it. I don't know why I wasn't thinking right when it came to 20 meters there, but there you go. Then you just log the spot, but or log the contact, but you can also log a POTA park, an auto spot, their location, how many watts you're running, all this good stuff. And even then, you have QRZ integration, logbook of the world integration. It can integrate with cat control for WSJTX. You've got N1NMEM, M3 FJP. So you can still operate your normal logging system. This just gives it a little bit more of a competitive advantage here. You can see all the active contacts being made. And then you've got all these competitions that you can be a part of. Plus, they have an awesome contesting log. You can see coming up CQDX worldwide, CW contest, the 10-meter contest. This is all so much fun. It makes logging contact so much fun. So why do I bring this up? Well, you can they have a very, very special deal right now for Black Friday coming inbound. Right now, I'm a premium member, so that's the middle grade here. But you can get a lifetime membership for $595. Now, here's the cool thing. The cool thing is you can use my coupon code AA or HamShackTV. You're going to get 10% off of that. But if you're already a World Radio League member, a paid member anyway, they will prorate this. So if I upgraded right now, this would cost me $490 with my coupon code. So check that out. Lifetime membership. You get all kinds of great benefits. You get a founding member number, or a better founding member number if you'd like one, the lowest available one. Last I saw, they had numbers in the teens. They'll give you a physical gift. I'm not quite sure what that might be. You get special ticketing priority for lifetime membership issues, distinguished in-app status, as well as a VIP award and printable PDF awards. So this is all cool stuff, guys. Go check out worldradioleague.com. And if you use my coupon code HamShackTV, you're going to get 10% off even the Black Friday sale. So go check that out. Now, let's get to work with Ham Radio Prep. Ham Radio Prep has a really, really awesome deal. Maybe you're not a ham yet, or maybe you're looking to upgrade your license. Well, they have a 0 to hero package. It includes all 3 of the license courses, technician, general, and extra class. But it also includes the MCOM course, the space and satellite communications, the HF Masterclass, and the Ham Radio Basics course. This is all valued at $671. You're going to save $472 because you're going to get it for $199. But wait, there's more. Throw my coupon code on top of it, you're going to get another 10% off. So this would be Oh, I don't know. I'm guessing I'm not good with math in my head. You're talking probably about 180 bucks, 175 bucks, something like that, for this. Now you may say, well, Josh, I've already got the technician. That's fine. Still go ahead and do the 0 to hero, because you know what? It's still a better deal all around, because you get access to everything else. Same with general. You'll still get the access to all 3 courses, and maybe there'll be a family member or something that they might want to get their technician. Well, you can go back and let them use access for for their technician stuff. Package 2, you get all access license apps. Maybe you're not interested in the MCOM space or the HF or the Ham Radio Basics course. That's fine. You can get the all access license pass, which still will include your Ham Radio Basics course, but you get tech, general, and extra. Normal value is $199. You're going to get it for $79, but throw my discount code on top of that, you're going to get it even cheaper. So this is a really, really great deal if you're looking just to get the license courses and get some entry into the hobby. Package number 3, maybe you have all 3 licenses, you don't need them. You can get the advanced operating package, which will give you the MCOM course, the space and satellite communications course, as well as the HF masterclass. Normal value is $447. You're going to get that for $318 off for $129. That's it. $129. Still throw my coupon code. That'll knock another 10% off of that. So that'd be $12.90 off of that price. The all access pass for just the licenses, that would be another $7.90 off of that one. 0 to hero, that'll be another $19.90 off of that price. So really great deals here, folks. And then also maybe you just want to do some individual courses. $35 for your technician course, $35 for your general, or $49 for the extra course. Still apply my discount code. You'll get 10% off, $350 off of the general or the tech, and $490 off of the extra class course. Ham Radio Basics, you'll get $250 off of that one. HF Masterclass, you're going to get $490 off of that one, as well as the MCOM course and the space and solar communications. But maybe you just want to give the gift of ham radio prep. Well, that's available too. You send them a gift card and you save 30% off. But you add another 10, or add my coupon code, you're going to get another 10% off of that. So total, you almost double on your money. Almost, not quite, with ham radio prep gift cards. So keep that in mind. These are all fantastic products, and really, really hope you enjoy it. There's some great stories here. You'll see a link in the description to both Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League, and go check those out, guys. I think you're going to enjoy it, and I think if you're giving it as a gift, your gift recipient will enjoy it too. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap this episode up. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Thanksgiving if you're watching this before Thanksgiving. And we will see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.